camera over here somewhere, so let me chill. But oh, that sounds so good. Where is the camera? I know it's right there. Oh shoot. What's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks in the Sticks Mobile. As you guys can kind of hear by my voice, I am in a better mood today, man. You got the beautiful 440 30,000, you know what I'm saying? And we are about to go on a little drive. I was actually concerned because I went to grab my camera upstairs and my car was down here on. The good thing about my car is with the tinted windows, you couldn't really see inside. So guys, again, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers in the channel. You already know what's up, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We were also able to, I'm not telling you you have to or anything like that, we were able to add the I don't know, it's called some superstars or something like that. Let me listen to one of the comments, because he said that I always put it in sports transmission as soon as I get in the car. So I'm gonna put it normal so that he don't yell at me, okay? Your boy is monetized finally, man. It took us a whole year, man, to get monetized and reach 1,000 subscribers, but it's okay, man. So we were able to do it thanks to you guys, and you guys can do that little superstars thingy. I don't know what it's, super chat, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, man, if you guys do that ever, you know, don't worry, I'm gonna shout you out and let you know what's up, and I appreciate it, every single one of you guys, because anything that I do gain from this channel or anything like that, guys, believe it or not, it's gonna go directly back into the channel. Like, I'm not gonna use any of the stuff I get for like myself, really. I mean, it kind of is, because it will be for the car to make better videos for you guys, of course. So that's why anything that I get from you guys or anything like that, it's just gonna go back into the car, bro. It's not even for me personally, you know what I'm saying? Bro, like yesterday, I wish I had my camera with me, bro. There was a whole car chase, bro. I almost got hit. The guys was wailing, so I almost got hit. I was able to get out the way, but there was like 15 cops. I wish this camera here was recording, but I just got the what's it called? Where is it? Oh, I just dropped it. Hold on, chat. Hold on, YouTube. I just got the memory card for it, but I was trying to connect it and it wasn't working. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but yeah, I'm gonna connect that. So hopefully next time, you know, something crazy does come up, that camera right there, which actually records pretty good too, can capture it so I can, you know, show you guys. But yeah, I was kind of like tight that I almost got hit, but then I was like, damn, I should have been recording for you guys, you know what I'm saying? But right now we're on our way to the gas station because we don't have any gas, as you guys can see. Zero gas. Regular Sticks Mobile thing, man. That's why I need you guys to hit that super chat. Oh, there's a cop right behind me, bro. The cops literally follow me into the gas station. See that white car right there? Yeah, that's them. Literally, they follow me for like 3 blocks, and then I came into the gas station, and then they came to the gas station. I know they after me. They ain't about to catch me though. Support the channel. Hit the super chat thingy. I think it's called super chat, but I think you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, hit that thing. Fact. So we can actually fill this tank up, man. This shit only getting $20. That's a fact. It's rough out here, man. Oh damn, 10 cents. I need 10 cents from you right now. You wanna know where we at? We outside. It was a cop car, but it looked like a regular ass dude in that thing, bro. Some big guy. Now I need to put my window up a little bit. It's cold. I don't know if New York is ever gonna get hot, bro. It'll be hot one day, cold as hell the next day. Hot one day, cold as hell the next day. But at least it's not snowing or, you know, anything like that. So should we go on that? I don't think we get on the highway. I think we stay here. But we just out here, bro. And the best streets of New York City, man. The Bronx has the best streets. If you want your car to last you a long time, come to the Bronx. It will last you very long. You'll start hitting potholes over here left and right. The crazy thing is, like, even if you're a really careful driver, super careful, no matter what, bro, you're gonna hit them, bro. Like, I don't care how careful you think you are and then how much you want to take care of the car. Trust me, I take care of my car, and I avoid 80% of them. But some of them, you don't even know that they were there, bro. Like, you'll just hit it out of nowhere and you just feel it. It's like, oh shit. Ella pasa por el bloque, un piripiropi. Piripiropi, ella pasa por el bloque, un piripiropi. Since I can't play music, I'm gonna start singing. Nah, no, last video though, guys, for sure, I was damn, bro. Like, I don't even know, bro. I just made that video on some make a video, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just wanted to, you know, go for a drive. And then, since y'all my people, you know what I'm saying, I was like, you know what, let me take them with me too. So we just did a little quick drive, and then my boy hit me up to go to, you know, go watch the Ryan Garcia fight. By the way, guys, which one did you guys, you know, want to win, Ryan Garcia or Tank? Comment it down below right now. Let me know which one you guys were rooting for. Honestly, I wasn't rooting for nobody. I was just kind of enjoying the fight. Ryan Garcia took mad hits in the stomach. Tank was, yo, from the start of the match, he was just going for the body. And I don't know if you guys saw Tank's first knockdown where he hit Garcia with a left. Oh, he sat him down crazy. In my opinion, I'm not a boxer. I don't know nothing about boxing. But from somebody that doesn't watch boxing like that, and just from, you know, from an outside perspective, Ryan Garcia was going at him like really fast, you know what I'm saying? Tank was just playing it smart. Like, he was playing it very slow, you know. Even if you guys watch at the end of the match, like, Ryan threw way more punches and everything like that than Tank. He was just you know, saving his energy and just waiting for the right moments to do stuff, while Ryan Garcia was just going at him the whole match. So, you know, he took advantage of him in one of the punches. I'm sure you guys saw it somewhere. It was somewhere on social media. And yeah, he, you know, pretty much put him on his knees with that one. Either way, I could never do boxing, bro. That I'd probably be, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's not for me. If you're nice at boxing, hey, good for you, man. Because I can't do that. Because me, you know, I'll probably get mad as hell and just forget that I'm boxing and just, you know, go street fighting mode. I don't even know, bro, about boxing. That's a tough sport right there. So, kudos to all of y'all who can box, man. I can't do that. I'm a baseball player. Mess around, I go to the car and grab my bat and just want to hit you with that thing. We're going on the little highway, you know, drive right now, actually. Trying to avoid the potholes. So what better way to avoid potholes than by going on the highway? So I said, you know, let's go on a little highway drive and see what's up. Oh, what is this guy doing, bro? Yeah, always doing some weird stuff, man. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in sport. From there. Maybe if I lower, hold on, let me put this window down so you guys can hear me better. But oh, I gotta, if I open this up. Oh, we back though, guys, man. I know I was gone for a little bit, but we back, bro. I'm gonna be posting again how I used to be posting, you know, almost every day. Like, you know, once every two, like, it'll be one day, skip one day, post the next day, skip one day, because we obviously need a day in between so you can make a video or something, you know what I'm saying? Because your boy does work a lot. Now I gotta work a lot more because of what, you know, all the money that I lost. So now I gotta work double what I was working before. And so I won't be able to, like, you know, post every single day how I was posting, but I'm gonna post once, like, at least how many days in a week, bro? 5. I'm gonna post at least 3 days out of those 5. I'm gonna come back, man, to posting hella videos for you guys. And, you know, if you guys have ideas, man, comment it down below, man. I'm down for whatever, you know what I'm saying? I got some ideas that I've been working on, but let me know what you guys want to see, bro. Maybe we do just a straight tunnel video, bro. I know you guys ask me a lot about my exhaust and stuff like that. I don't have anything special, guys. I'm just a regular guy, bro. I'm not that cool. So I just have literally stock exhaust, res delete, and downpipe and a tune. That's it. I don't have anything special. You know, I wish I did, but I don't. And, you know, this is what we have, so this is what we gotta do it with. I know there is a camera over here somewhere, so let me chill. But oh, that sounds so good. Where is the camera? I know it's right there. Oh shoot, maybe that thing, hopefully that thing didn't catch me back there, bro. But I need to change my brake fluids though. My thing be, I mean, I don't be having any issues with braking, but I did, you know, I tried to do my brakes myself, guys, and I know I messed that thing up, and I probably shouldn't be driving in it like this, but hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I wish I could fix it right now, but we can't. So it's gonna stay like that for now. Let me see how the gym is looking. What the heck? Is that a pool? I didn't even know there was a pool right here. But there's mad people. I didn't even know there was a pool. What? How is the gym looking? I don't even know. There's some people in there, so probably gonna go get a quick workout in real quick. Cause I am the type, you know, I wasn't gonna go to the gym, but then I was like, bro, if I don't go, I'm gonna feel like trash. You feel me? Look at that beautiful M5 DZ, and then there's a Lamb truck. I would choose probably the M5 DZ over the Lamb truck, but that's just me. I know you guys probably more of a Lambo fan. I'm not, bro. I'm not really a Lambo fan. Like, the only supercar that I would, you know, is my dream, bro, is a Ferrari, bro. After that, I don't really care about any of the other ones. Damn, this thing is packed though, this garage. But yeah, guys, man, I hope you guys enjoyed that little. Should I park right here? I am about to park right here. I don't really know where else to park. You know, I don't really go to this gym, so I don't really know this area like that. But anyway, guys, if you guys enjoy the video, make sure you smash that like button in the face, man. And yeah, man, stay tuned, man. More content coming soon. Bro, the only thing I can say to you guys, man, is just keep grinding, bro. Life is not easy, and things that are, you know, easy are never really good. So just keep I'm gonna just keep my head up. I don't even know, I'm giving myself this stupid ass advice. It's not stupid, but this is mostly for myself. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe if you guys are new. It's been a pleasure. It's your boy Sticks, and I'm out of here. Peace.